All right, first step of doing a portrait. Now, in drawing, you hopefully been practicing drawing eyes, nose, and mouth, because now this is when it's going to come important to you. So, first thing, find a picture that you like. So I found a picture. I thought this one was kind of interesting with the broken up spaces. It allows me to draw multiple things. Two eyes in the image. Kind of makes it a little bit more exciting. And it's kind of a side profile. And I feel this one would work really well. So, first thing you want to do, all right, is you want to measure from the whole page how long it is. Well, this one's 7 inches by 5 inches is the page that I'm using. It doesn't matter what size it is. It can be a full sheet. It can be whatever you want it to be. Now, the next part, you're going to be doing the same exact thing onto your paper. So if you're using a sketch pad like this, you're going to grid it out. This one is 14 by 8. So I would find the half of 14, okay, which would be 7, and then the half would be 8. Now you want to divide these into 8 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. I did a yellow pencil. Hopefully you can see that. And if you're having trouble seeing where you drew, make sure you use a colorful pencil that works for you. I like yellow because it's easy for me to see. But if you're colorblind, this might be a little bit challenge for you. So make sure you can definitely see your grid. That's the key about this. Now you can do this the size of blowing it up to be any size. This right here could be, this little square right here could be 4 foot by 4 foot, okay? Or actually 4 foot by 3 foot because it's rectangle more than anything. So you could blow this the size of a building using this method. So this method is pretty much foolproof, okay? So it's all about dividing things into half. So whatever your half image is here, you want to divide that and again, no matter what size your mural is. Say it's 10 foot by 12 foot. You do it by half and half. And you keep the proportions the same in the squares on the wall as on the page. That's the trick. So first you want to come in here, measure out the edge, and get the halfway mark. Make a mark here and make a mark on this side. Make a mark here and make a mark here on this side. All right. So you want to be able to draw down and draw across. Okay. You'll get 4 boxes at that point. Second, you want to do is find the halfway between here and here. Okay. So you want to get the halfway spot, the quarter. So you want to go here and here, here and here, here and here, and down here, and make the line, make the grid. The last one, now you want to divide from here to here. You want to get the halfway spot. So you want to go all the way across on both sides, and you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Try to keep your lines as straight as possible, and try not to have too big of offset gaps. This got a little close. My ruler slipped on me. I didn't realize until later on. So I'll make my adjustment when I draw. But if you're a beginner, you might find yourself, if your box is a little close, it might shift your drawing just a little bit. Unfortunately here, it's not a lot of delicate information on that area of that line. So it might just get a little shorter in the jaw. So I got to make sure I adjust that in the hairline. Okay. So at this point, I'm going to grid out a page as well, and then I'm going to start transferring my drawing. When I'm going to be drawing, I'm going to be literally looking at, this is my 1 row, 2 row, 3 row, 4 row, and then I usually kind of label above here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, so I know when I'm at 1A, my drawing really starts, where I'm going to be starting to get my drawing is 2C. Okay, does that make sense? So I will literally trace out on my page that 1 square. Then I will draw the lines here and then trace out that spot. Okay, now this drawing is in color. I'm going to be doing it in black and white to make it a little bit easier. Okay, so on that note, your next step is to do this process. Okay, so grid out a page doing the same method as you did your photograph. So half and half and half, and grid out your actual photograph. That's your first step. Do that, and then we move on to the next thing.